MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Come and get your hands on this 2017 Kenworth T680, a maroon 455 horsepower 10-speed Ultra. It's beautiful. A 76-inch sleeper here that sits at 497,000 on the miles. Here are your tires, 22.5 LPs with all aluminum wheels polished up for you with a 100-gallon fuel tank. You've got 12K fronts, 40K rears, and a 234-inch wheelbase here. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13 with that full or 10-speed Ultra transmission. The interior, it looks untouched. It's beautiful. Check out your sleeper. Lots of room. It's got doors and windows, and your dash shines like new. If you want this truck, a 2017 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.